Well, there's an interesting answer to that. I actually went to a seminar last year particularly focused on trucking accident cases, and what I learned in that seminar is almost every major trucking company in the United States has a 24-hour on-call response team, so that if there's ever a catastrophic or a major accident involving the truck, at 2 o'clock in the morning or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, within an hour of that accident, that trucking company and the insurance company for that trucking company has an accident investigative team on the scene. They're photographing things, they're documenting physical evidence at the scene, they're interviewing witnesses, they're preparing their defense of your case. So it seems obvious that if you want to be on an equal footing with the trucking companies, you need to have your lawyers get involved in the case right away. If somebody called me from the scene of an accident, or if somebody called me immediately after an accident happened, we would be able to get an expert out to that scene. I've had cases where a trucking accident occurs, everyone's taken to the hospital, but then I send my expert out to the scene and we find debris that helps us establish who was at fault. We find rubber, we find pieces of the vehicles, we find markings on the roadway. There are many things that can be done to investigate these cases, and whenever there's a truck involved, unfortunately, many times, they become catastrophic injury cases. So having your team at the scene as close as possible to the same time that the team from the trucking company gets there would obviously be in your best interest, and you could only do that if you've got the right trucking lawyer to represent you.